welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 4th, 2025, and we're diving into NCR Atleos' latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year 2024. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. NCR Atleos has had an interesting year, especially as a newly standalone company. I'm excited to discuss their performance and future prospects.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. NCR Atleos reported a net revenue of $1.1 billion for the fourth quarter of 2024, which is a 1% increase compared to last year. However, the core business revenue grew by 4%. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The slight increase in overall revenue is primarily driven by the core business, which saw a 4% growth. This indicates that Atleos is effectively leveraging its core strengths, particularly in self-service banking and network services. The adjusted EPS of $1.11 also highlights a significant improvement in profitability, up 73% from the previous year.
And what about their net income?
The net income for Q4 was $46 million, a remarkable turnaround from a net loss of $165 million in the same quarter last year. This improvement is a testament to their operational efficiencies and strategic initiatives.
Cash flow and operational efficiencies. Moving on to cash flow and operational efficiencies, Atleos reported an operating cash flow of $80 million for Q4 and an adjusted free cash flow of $119 million. How does this reflect on their operational performance?
These figures are quite impressive. The operating cash flow of $80 million and adjusted free cash flow of $119 million indicate strong cash generation capabilities. Additionally, the gross margin improved significantly to 26.8% from 18.0% last year, showcasing their ability to manage costs effectively. The adjusted EBITDA of $219 million, up 23%, further underscores their operational efficiency.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. John, let's talk about Atleos' strategic initiatives and their outlook for 2025. What are the key highlights?
Atleos has been focusing on enhancing their ATM solutions platform and improving customer service performance. These initiatives have not only strengthened their relationships with customers and partners, but also increased revenue per device. Looking ahead, they are optimistic about 2025, with a revenue growth guidance of 1% to 3% and adjusted EBITDA growth of 7 to 10%.
It seems like they are well positioned for the future. What are the market fundamentals supporting this optimism?
The market fundamentals are favorable, with banks and retailers increasingly seeking outsourced solutions to manage their cash ecosystems. Atleos' continuous improvement and innovation efforts are expected to drive cost and capital-efficient growth, reducing leverage and improving strategic flexibility.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Let's discuss the EPS forecast. Analysts were expecting an EPS of 94 cents, but Atleos reported an adjusted EPS of $1.11. How does this compare to expectations?
Atleos exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of $1.11 compared to the forecasted 94 cents. This 73% growth in EPS is a strong indicator of their improved profitability and operational performance. The positive sentiment among analysts reflects confidence in Atleos' strategic direction and execution capabilities.
Key takeaways. In summary, NCR Atleos has delivered a strong performance in Q4 2024, with significant improvements in revenue, profitability, and cash flow. Their strategic initiatives and favorable market conditions position them well for future growth. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Atleos' impressive results and future prospects.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts on NCR Atleos' performance in the comments below. Until next time.